Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Cam. I'm with the legend himself, Jake Reed. We are heading down south for another adventure before I'm off to Tokyo in like 10 days. But yeah, another 4 hours until we hit Bluff Knoll. We're gonna sleep at the base camp there and then climb it in the morning before the sun even rises. So hopefully we get some sick footage and we'll see you when we are at Bluff Knoll, I guess. Okay, so we've made it to the campgrounds just near the base of Bluff Knoll. We're gonna get up to, hopefully get to the top of Bluff Knoll for sunrise. So it's gonna be interesting, but we're gonna climb in the morning, so we'll see you then. Good morning, we are awake. We got up at about 3:30 this morning, come up to climb the mountain. So we're aiming to reach the peak at about sunrise, which according to my sunrise timing man, Jake, that is 5:53. I'm confident we can get there in time. All right, we're getting pretty close to the top now. It's been a tough climb, as expected. How you feeling, Jake?
Oh, yep. We're here. Well, we're not here. We're right here on the track.
We're feeling it a little bit. Didn't get much sleep last night, but it's all part of the fun. And we're hoping we get the water with some cool views. We've peaked, Jake. Woo! How was it? We are at the top of Bluff Knoll. Yeah, it's pretty cold and we're pretty damp from a mixture of sweat and just being up in the clouds. So the cloud is just starting to clear now. It is unbelievable. Look over there, Jake. Look at that. That is unreal. Jake's frothing at the idea of some of these photos.
Sunlight.
Descent now. The plan is to get back to the car, then we're going to drive down to Albany and get something warm in our stomachs because we are a bit chilly. But it's been an insane little trip up Bluff Knoll. And a good start to the day. It's still only like 6:30 or 7 a.m. We've got plenty more on the card. Down to the bottom of Bluff Knoll. Our plan now is to head to Albany, and depending on the weather and how warm or cold or whatever, we're going to hit some beaches up and have some fun. So we'll see you in Albany. All right, we've made it to Albany. We have shown up at the Gap and Natural Bridge for a bit of touristy action, but we're going to go off the track a little bit. All right, so we had a quick gander at the Gap, but oh my god, okay.
I'm gonna move my bag, hang on.
There's a big wave coming in. We're gonna film that because I'm already trying to film. Holy crap! We could see a big crash just about Jake's run away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn.
Oh my goodness.
That was insane. As I was just about to say, we left the gap because there was too many people and we just come to explore this rocky coastline ourselves. And that is why, because that's what happens when you adventure a little. Just reached about as far as we can go along this coastal bit. It is gorgeous here. The waves are insane. We're just about to fly the drone. So enjoy the footage, and then we're gonna head back to the car and explore some more of this point. Hopefully up the beach. We're keen to get some sand between the toes. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the day.
Will they ever see the light of day? Light of day. I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you.
Alright, we've actually made it to a beach. My dream's about to come true. If you know me, you know how much I like my feet, my bare feet in the sand. We climbing. I'm gonna set this up here somehow. Alright, we have just finished up at Misery Beach. It was actually quite a splendid time there, and we're going to head back into town now. We've been exploring this national park for the last 3 or 4 hours, scouting out sunset locations, because we are with the king of sunsets after all. So we're just going to head back into Albany now, grab a feed, chill out a little bit, and then head back out here, and hopefully we are blessed with a sick sunset, and we'll get some bangers, get the drone up, and it should be a good night. We'll see you then. All right, so we've just spent a couple hours back in town, had a big feed and had a little bit of a rest. We've been going all day since about 3 a.m. But now we're back out to one of the spots we scouted today. We've got about an hour to a sunset. Jake is looking for the perfect shot. So we're still chilling here at our sunset spot. We're about 20 minutes away from sunset. It's already amazing. Just about to get the drone up. Hopefully there's some sick shots that we'll get. And then, yeah, hopefully the sunset is colourful. It is looking that way. I know Jake is excited. He's probably taken 100 photos already. But enjoy these drone shots as we wait for the sun to set. Not the best sunset we've ever seen, but we can't complain. Unreal. We are just setting up for night 2. We've driven back up to Stirling Range National Park. We are going to climb another mountain tomorrow morning at sunrise because we can't resist. We've had what, like, I don't know, like a 18-hour day, basically doing stuff all day. We're hoping to get like 6 to 8 hours sleep tonight before cranking out another mountain in the morning. But yeah, it's been a wicked day today. We are keen to sleep now. It is morning, 4:30ish, and we are starting another hike up this mountain. I don't know about Jake, but I'm a bit sore from yesterday. But it's looking really clear this morning, so hopefully we get a cool sunrise and it's nice and clear. But time to hike, time to climb. That right there is Bluff Knoll. We've almost peaked Mount Hassel. It's been a fun climb, I think, because it's a little bit less touristy than Bluff Knoll. So the trails are all natural, a bit more rock climbing than actual hiking. There's no signs, we're just winging it. But we're pretty close to the peak, and even where we are now, the camera does not do it justice. I'm telling you right now, it is unbelievable, and the sun hasn't even risen yet, and the sun's going to rise behind Bluff Knoll, hey? Yeah, so we're going to be in for a treat. Okay, we made it to the summit. There's actually some actual rock climbing to get up here, but the sun's about 20 minutes out, I think. This is Mount Hassel, and I believe that right there is the second highest peak in the Stirling Ranges. Karumba. We decided not to do that today just because we weren't 100% sure on what our legs would feel like. But I think this was perfect. And it is hard to describe how amazing this is. But we'll get the drone off and we'll do our best to share it with you guys. I'm just going to enjoy it for a little bit first. We've conquered Mount Hassel. They've come back down to the car now, and a ranger has told us off for camping here. But that's alright, we'll deal with that, and then we'll probably start trekking back to Perth, back home. But that was a wicked sunrise, and a lot of fun. But we're pretty tired now, so we're gonna scoot. All right, we're almost back at Perth. We've just made a stop in at the Dwelling Up State Forest, at least a little part of it. That's been a wicked trip. we're gonna finish up with this and then head home. We had a fun little experience with the park rangers down at Stirling Range National Park before we left. They had they thought we had stolen some rare flower, and because there was a flower outside our car on the door, and they like assumed that we had stolen it and it had fallen out of our car, and they threatened us with like a $10,000 fine, taking us to court and all this stuff. But Jake's a charming dude, so no, they were actually pretty nice, but it was a bit of a shock to us. We were like, wait, what? But anyway, we've been driving for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours since then, and I'm pretty close to Perth. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming along, Jakey.
No worries.
If you enjoyed, give us a like, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.